This nature is so mysterious and so beautiful. First of all, we should develop a liking of observing the nature and trying to understand what the nature is trying to convey to us. Because nature is the biggest guru, it is the biggest teacher for us to learn so many things. For example, there are very beautiful, tasty berries which we all cannot resist, and we enjoy eating them. But at the same time, there are also some berries which look so similar, yet they can be very poisonous to us. We may even die if we eat certain types of berries. Similarly, in this world, inhabited by so many different people, so many different colors, so many different mentalities and characteristics, sometimes even God doesn't understand. But if you really want to understand yourself, if you really want to go beyond this nature and understand the secret of your existence, the secret of realizing the God and coming out of your ignorance and become a divine being yourself, is to shed your ignorance, overcome your anger, hatred, jealousy, and flow infinite love, so that you will go up like this winds here, unwinding yourself into the divine consciousness and absolute self.